8239. Straightening nitride crankshafts is A. Recommended. B. Not recommended. C. Approved by the manufacturer. The correct answer is B. Straightening nitride crankshafts is generally not recommended. Nitriding is a surface hardening process that imparts hardness and wear resistance to the crankshaft. The nitriding process involves diffusing nitrogen into the surface of the crankshaft, creating a hardened layer. If a nitride crankshaft becomes bent or damaged, it is typically not recommended to straighten it. Straightening a nitride crankshaft can disrupt the hardened layer and compromise the integrity and strength of the crankshaft. The process of straightening can introduce additional stress and potentially cause further damage. 8240. The breaking loose of small pieces of metal from coated surfaces, usually caused by defective plating or excessive loads, and is called A. Flaking. B. Chafing. C. Brinelling. The correct answer is A. The breaking loose of small pieces of metal from coated surfaces, usually caused by defective plating or excessive loads, and is commonly referred to as flaking. Flaking can occur when the plating or coating on a metal surface becomes damaged or compromised, resulting in the detachment of small flakes or pieces of the coating material. 8241. Each power plant installed on an airplane with a Standard Airworthiness Certificate must have been A. Type certificated. B. Manufactured under the TSO system. C. Originally certificated for that aircraft. Any engine to be installed on an aircraft having a Standard Airworthiness Certificate must be a type certificated engine. The correct answer is A. Each power plant engine installed on an airplane with a Standard Airworthiness Certificate must have been type certificated. This means that the engine has undergone a certification process conducted by the Aviation Authority, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States. The type certification ensures that the engine meets specific design, performance, and safety standards set by the regulatory authority. 8242. A severe condition of chafing or fretting in which a transfer of metal from one part to another occurs is called A. Scoring. B. Burning. C. Galling. The correct answer is C. A severe condition of chafing or fretting in which a transfer of metal from one part to another occurs is called galling. Galling is a type of adhesive where that happens when two metal surfaces in contact experience significant friction and pressure. In this process, the metals can adhere and transfer material from one surface to the other, leading to damage, surface roughness, and potential seizing of the parts. 8243. Indentations on bearing races caused by high static loads are known as A. Fretting. B. Brinelling. C. Galling. The correct answer is B. Indentations on bearing races caused by high static loads are known as bridling. Bridging occurs when there are high pressures or loads exerted on the bearing races, causing localized deformations or indentations on the surfaces.